Imagine the following scenario. You're debugging your code, you decide to close your current file and check something else. A minute later, you need to find back the spot where you paused your application without stepping forward in the code. There is an easy way to do that. Go to Debug, Windows, Call Stack. Now double click on the first item and we are back where we started. Now this isn't the only thing you can do with this window. What it does is display all the function calls that are currently on the stack. If you look at the list of items, the first line marks the line of code you're about to execute. The second line will find you the caller of the method you're in. So if you go in reverse order, you will see that we started with the print hello world call first, then we continued with the print method, which then led us to line 12 in our code. Essentially, this allows you to find how you got to the current line you're in. And there we go. You now know how to use the call stack.